because of the infrastructure building.
Health Minister and Chairman of Roster Committee Ampareen Lyngdoh on August 22 shared her views with the arrest of the newly floated militant outfit National Liberation Council of Nlcn (Nlcn). She said that the government will deal stringently and strictly with any such activity in the state and the government will disallow it. She said that the government will go all out while congratulating the police force for having done the correct thing. This arrest sends a big message to others that we will say no to insurgency.
In the state of Meghalaya, we will deal stringently and strictly with any such activity in the state of Meghalaya. We will disallow it, we will go all out, and I congratulate the police force for having done the correct thing. And this arrest sends a big message to others. We will say no to insurgency. Like we have said in the past, no to insurgency.